Dear students, see, these are all the problems you need to solve. Here you need to construct the PDA for all the given problems, and these are the problems to do conversion to PDA as I have given you the CFG. Now we will move to the 5th unit. As we have all discussed whatever we have in our academic syllabus in the 4th unit, that all have covered. Now we need to move to the 5th unit. See, our 5th unit is all about Turing mission. According to the Chomsky hierarchy, we have 4 types of languages. Coming to the type 3 language, which is a regular language, and the mission format is finite automata, that we have discussed in the 2nd unit and the 1st unit. Coming to the type 2 grammar, which is context free language, that we have discussed in the unit 3, and the mission format is PDA, which we have discussed in the 4th unit. Coming to type 0 grammar, which is an unrestricted language, the mission format for this language is Turing mission, that we are going to discuss in the 5th unit. Coming to the introduction, in 1936 the person Alan Turing has invented the abstract mission, which is used for computing the processes. In those days we don't have any computers for processing. That time he was invented this abstract mission for the purpose of computing processes. Later this abstract mission was named as Turing mission. Coming to the definition, as we all know about the definitions of all the different automatas like finite automata, push down automata, here also we need to find out the definition for Turing mission. It is a 7-tuple one. See, what are the 7 tuples that are used to define the Turing mission? First is capital Q. Capital Q is number of states. This is a 7-tuple one. Capital Q, number of states, and input alphabet tau. Tau is the symbol used for representing the stack symbols in PDA, but here this represents the allowable symbols of input tape. Allowable symbols of input tape. Coming to B, B specifies the blank symbols. Q0 initial state, F final state, delta transition function. The feature where the Turing mission varies from the other mission formats like PDA, finite automata is capital B, blank spaces. In all other different automatas we don't have the blank spaces, but in Turing mission it allows the blank spaces to be used in the input tape. How the delta function can be written? See, you are in one state, say Q, and by taking the input symbol from the input tape makes you move to the other state, placing an input symbol into this tape. Here we are going to write the symbol into the tape and perform some operations like moving the read write head to left position or right position, or halts, HALT. Halts means stops the process. Clear? Now we will see the instantaneous description and mechanical diagram of Turing mission. See, this is the mechanical diagram of Turing mission. Here these are the 3 main components to be used. First one is input tape, read write head, and finite control. Input tape is used to store the input symbols, but the variation of Turing mission from the other finite automatas is in the other automatas we have only one way direction, that means from left to right, but here in Turing mission you have chance to make a move from right to left or from left to right. That's why I have shown the double direction, I mean 2-way direction for the input tape. And read write head. Read write head is used to scan the input symbol from the input tape and gives that symbol to the finite controller. Finite control will perform some operation on the input symbol and updates the symbol into the input tape. That's why here also 2-way direction. Coming to the instantaneous description. Instantaneous description means giving the information about the current status. ప్రజెంట్ ఏం జరుగుతుంది దాని గురించిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వటం కోసమే మనకి ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఉన్నది. See here what is the information that is going to be given by the ID. Instantaneous description of TM means where the mission is going, that means to which state the mission makes a move, and what is the symbol that is going to be written in the input tape. See, for example, if the Turing mission, if the read write head scans the input symbol from this cell, again after performing the transition functions, it is able to write the other symbol or the same symbol in the same cell. Clear? For example, from here it scans one input symbol. After doing the transitions, it can update the cell only here, not the remaining cells. That I have noted down clearly here. See, writes a symbol in a cell from where the input symbol was scanned. ఎక్కడ నుంచి అయితే స్కాన్ చేస్తామో అదే ప్లేస్లోనే అప్డేషన్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. దెన్ the mission makes a movement for the read write head to left or right or halts. Clear? Now we will see this in a better way by taking the example. See, this is the example. In this example I am going to show you the movements of read write head and the content to be placed in the input tape for the string ABBA. See, this is the given Turing mission transitions. From here we need to be able to find out the movements and the contents to be updated in the input tape. See, first solution. At right hand and left hand there will be blank symbols. Already I told you na, the only variation of the main variation of Turing mission from the other finite automatas is using of blank symbols. Within the blank symbols there must be a string to be traversed. What they have given you as a string to be traversed, ABBA. See, now you are in the initial state, say Q0, and what is the first symbol you need to traverse? A. Q0 A. So while seeing the Q0 A, what is the transition you need to made? Q0 capital X capital R. ఎక్కడ నుంచి అయితే నువ్వు ఏని స్కాన్ చేసావో అదే ప్లేస్లో ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఏం రాయాలి? ఎక్స్ రాయాలి. అదే కదా మనం చెప్పుకోయింది ఇన్స్టంటేనియస్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో కూడా. అండ్ ఆర్ ఇండికేట్స్ మూమెంట్ టు రైట్ పొజిషన్. See, same thing I have placed here, but in place of A, X has been updated. After updation I need to make a move of read write head to right position. So oka right cell ki move ayindi. Now this will be the current status of the input tape. ఇప్పుడు ఇది చేంజెస్ చేసాం కదా. Now this is our current information. So current information ని తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ. See here, now you are in which state? Q0. And what is the, ఇక్కడ చూడండి మూవ్ చేసాం కదా. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇన్పుట్ సింబల్ టు బి ట్రావర్స్? B. Q0 B తీసుకుంటే ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? Q0 B capital R. See, Q0 B capital R. That means right position. B ని ఏం చేంజ్ చేయట్లేదు. So just we are making a move to the right side. Now this is the current information. This has been written here. According to this current information, now we are in which state? Q0, and what is the input symbol? B. Q0 B. So Q0 B వస్తే సేమ్ ఇదే చేయాలి. Q0 B capital R. So B ని అలానే ప్లేస్ చేసి రైట్ సైడ్కి మూవ్ అయ్యాలి. Now this is the current information that has been placed here. See here, now you are in which state? Q0, and what is the input symbol to be traversed? Small a, and Q0 small a goes to transition Q0 comma X comma R. So Q0 comma X comma R. So in place of A, write X and make a move to right. Now this is the current information. See, now you need to traverse the capital B, and you are in which state? Q0 B. While you see this transition Q0 B, where you need to go? Q1 B capital L. So that I have noted down here, Q1 B capital L. So placing the B symbol as it is and make a move to the left side. So left ki move ayyan. Now this is the current information. So now what is the symbol you need to traverse? Q1 You are in which state now? Q1. Say this is now you are in which state? Q1. So Q1. And what is the current symbol you need to traverse? Capital X. And by seeing Q1X, where you need to go? Q1X, Q1XL. Means keeping the X symbol as it is and make a move to the left side. And now when you traverse to the left side, now what is the symbol will be? B. So you are in which state? Q1, Q1B. So Q1B వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనము? Q1B, Q1 capital Y L. So placing the B symbol as it is, sorry, replacing the small b with capital Y and make a movement to the left side. So ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే మనము B ఉందో ఆ ప్లేస్లో క్యాపిటల్ వైని రాసాను చూడండి. ఇక్కడ B ఉన్నది, Y అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నేను మూవ్మెంట్ చేశాను. క్లియర్? నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు హియర్. Now this is the current information, right? See, this is the current information. Now you are in which state? Q1. So Q1B. So Q1B ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? Q1 capital Y capital L. So small b place లో y పెట్టి left position కి మూవ్ అయ్యాను. Now this is the current information. This has been copied here. And now you are in which state? Q1. So Q1 and capital X is the input symbol to be traversed. So capital X, Q1X. While seeing this, what you need to do? Go for the question. They have noted down. So Q1 capital X L. So ఏం చేయాలి మనము? Placing the X remains same and make a move to the left side. So left ki move ayyanu. Now left ki move ayyanu. So this is the current information. And now we are in which state? Q1. So Q1. And what is the input symbol to be traversed? B. So B in this kunnam. What is the transition to be taken place? Q1 capital B H. This will be given in the problem, right? So H means stop the process and placing the symbol B remains same. So B ni alane place chesi A moves vele chudandi ikkada. Just simply stopping the process. This all about the movements of read write head by using the Turing machine transition functions. In the next class we are going to solve the problems for different types of languages and we need to able to construct different types of we need to able to construct a Turing machine for different languages.